Want to try Sora 2 AI but you're not in the USA or Canada? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your invitation code from anywhere in the world.
The invitation code is a special access key given by OpenAI to test Sora 2 AI. Without it, you can't log in or generate videos yet.
Step 1. Turn on a VPN and connect to a server in the USA or Canada. This makes your device look like it's inside those countries.
Fill in your details, name, email, and reason for using Sora. Use your main Google or OpenAI account email so they can send you the code.
Here, you can also join the official Sora Discord chat, where early users and testers sometimes share invitation codes directly in community channels.
Next, open your browser and go to sora.openai.com. Click on Join Waitlist. That's where you can request your official invitation code.
Be careful. Don't trust fake websites or random links. Always get your code from OpenAI's waitlist or the official Discord community only.
Once you receive the code, go back to sora.openai.com, log in with your OpenAI account, and enter the code. Now you're ready to create videos.
Let's see, Sora 2 activation. There it is. Start and activated. Ready to go.
That's how you can get your Sora 2 AI invitation code from outside the USA and Canada. Like, share, and subscribe to Easy Learn Computer with IAS for more AI tutorials.